You know, most trips begin with excitement, but this one began with disappointment. Let me explain.
Welcome to day 1 of Singapore Changi Airport.
Finally, Changi Airport, 18 hours after leaving Mumbai. As we step inside, what happened at Jewel was the biggest shock of our entire trip.
Main attraction of Singapore airport is this
waterfall has a back here, which is closed.
just
There is no water flowing.
just I saw a notice board. It is written it will be closed from 5th to 13th of January. Biggest disappointment. I think everyone over here is disappointed.
So, after a huge disappointment, we decided to have something. We are starving for almost 12 hours. And there is only one veg option, which I saw out of 100 options available here. So this restaurant is right after you enter the airport. Just take the right, and you find this restaurant. It's a bit small, but it's looking very nicely decorated, and you have to pay only once you eat. And there are a lot of hot beverages options. There are a lot of teas which I have seen unique over here. This is the coconut dessert. Looks very tasty. We have homemade barley worms. I think this one. And this one is ginseng oolong hot. I'm not sure how is it, but it's something very new. And I am super excited always to try out new tea and new coffee. So let's try and see how is it. Have a sip. It tastes like some hot and sour soup. The one that we have in India.
It's nice.
It's nice. My throat is sore, so I am just having hot drinks. So trying out the veg soy noodles, they actually provide you chopsticks, and I am very novice at using these chopsticks. I don't know. Currently, I am very hungry and I want to use fork and spoon. So we just finished our brunch or lunch or dinner or evening snacks, I don't know, something. And now we are headed to explore the Changi airport. And this is the area where the waterfall. So we need to store our luggage to go to any activity over here. And we found out at L1 lobby H there is a baggage storage. So right now we are over here. Right from the topmost floor, there are ticketing counters where you can do self-service for your ticket. So
Costed us 16 SGD.
yes, for 2 persons. So now we are heading to the Canopy Park.
We have been seeing all these videos on YouTube since we were planning for Singapore. Now it's finally time to enter and take the experience of this artificially made natural something.
But we were thinking this place was non-AC, but it's air conditioned.
All these trees are natural and everything. This would have looked much better in the morning, but our flight and everything had happened, so we are seeing this at night.
This looks like our budgies.
These are all actual flowers.
Yes.
These are all real flowers. Wow.
There something that side also. I think
There
it's
are two orangutans. These are sort of the like natives of this land, Malaysian plateau. These sort of are the orangutans.
but there should be three, you know. One
This is
should
not
be covering
Gandhiji's
its mouth.
statue. This is not Gandhiji's statue. This is not Gandhiji's Teen Vandar.
Oh, one statue is missing.
This is Singapore's Do Vandar.
I'll go and sit there. You hold this. I say I'll
ওখান
complete.
থেকে পার হয়ে আছে।
I'll complete this. So we are going further inside. Here is a peacock.
We couldn't see the Changi waterfall, so we are seeing this mini waterfall.
The Jewel Vortex waterfall, I think. Wow, this is very cute.
We are right now on the highest level overlooking the Rain Vortex. The waterfall isn't active right now, so we missed it this time. But even without the flow, the view from above is still impressive. Then we headed towards Foggy Bowls, which is an environmental installation at Canopy Park, Changi Airport. Low-lying artificial fog is released into carved pole forms at timed intervals. The system cycles continuously, altering visibility.
So we are at Terminal 2 of Changi Airport. I think this is very famous here. Have a good view of this. It's a digital waterfall and it looks magnificent. How's your food experience?
There are very limited options for no meat options.
Zero.
We are only seeing chicken, beef, pork, lamb, clam, all sort of non-veg stuff.
Yeah, this is the fifth restaurant we are searching and we are not able to get anything to eat. I think we have to go outside and explore maybe. Tired of looking for a vegetarian option.
This is a plant-based dish, veg dish, and rice. And it was very difficult finding some veg options, but we actually found something which is edible. And we also are having this coconut pastry. So our meal is almost, we are halfway through it. The rice portion is very nice. The rice portion is very nice. Almost 2 people can have it. This veg curry is also spicy and they actually have all veg options here. And that is tea and that is coffee. So these are small sizes in this restaurant. And pretty satisfied with the food, although it took us almost an hour to find this restaurant or more, but yeah, this is good. We'll have a proper dinner to end the day. And
So we spent 24 hours in the airport, 25 hours, including Mumbai airport, Singapore airport, Malaysia airport. We are like dead people right now. We got some food, some rice and vegetable luckily. Now we will be heading to our hotel and died. And we got scammed also. So many attractions are closed right now.
So we have finally boarded the SkyTrain to Terminal 1, and yeah, it has started moving. It's night, so we will not be able to see much. And we'll catch you in the hotel.
So now we are taking a cab to our hotel, which is Ibis style Singapore Albert. Initially, we were thinking of taking the metro, but it's almost 26 hours we are out and we are just very tired. So we are heading towards the pickup point and we hope that we get our cab and reach our hotel. So our cab has arrived. We need to put in our luggage inside.
Quick tip for travelers from India. Uber and Ola doesn't operate here. Use the Grab app to book a cab. It works just like Uber. Before you close the video, we want to thank you for staying till here and don't forget to subscribe our channel to catch us on our next video for the Sentosa adventures. Bye.